Man today is only pursuing the path of intellectual, and he feels very proud of his achievements. But just knowledge without skill is of no use. But instead of developing skills, we are only killing. And the balance gets upset when this. And when the balance is upset, lives are ruined. This knowledge should be diverted along useful, good paths. This is the task of all educated people today. The knowledge and the science that we have today should be put to good use and for good purposes. Misuse of science and technology should not take place. It is this misuse which exposes us to great risks. Along with knowledge, discrimination also is necessary. Today's students are developing their knowledge in the fields of science and technology, but discrimination is getting less and less. In the fields of science, they rise to the heavens, but in the field of control of senses, they go down below. Science as well as sense control should be. Hiranyakashipu was a man of great. Even before modern scientists could dream of such things, Hiranyakashipu was able to fly and go underwater and do all kinds of things. He could fly like a bird. He could travel in the. But he was not able to live like a human being on earth. After being born as a man, if you have not learned the skills of being a human being in this world, that is why, in spite of all these great capacities which he had, Hiranyakashipu was. How to use the skills and the knowledge. In this, there is no room for ego. Ego and selfishness can destroy us. Keeping ego away, and with humility and with devotion, we should worship God. That is why singing the name of God, Nama Sankirtana, is so essential, by which we transform our bodies and hearts.
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।